Hey guys, Landry Meya from Smart Africa 4.0. How are you doing today? I wanted us today to talk about Greenfield vs Brownfield. This is something that you'll be hearing a lot in the mining industry. People talking about Greenfield, some talking about Brownfield. And it's important for you, an entrepreneur, and you want to venture in the mining business, to understand those things. So Greenfield simply means that this is a project that's starting from scratch. So it means that they're really starting from an airborne survey, moving into explorations and going into the development of the mine, and of course productions and other things. So that's your greenfield. But you'll also hear people talking about brownfield. Brownfield simply means that this is an existing mine, this is something that is already there, and there are also opportunities there, especially when it comes to retrofit. You know, this is some of the opportunities that you find in a brownfield mine. But let's focus on greenfield today. So as an entrepreneur, these are things that you need to understand. In a greenfield project, there is what we call a project owner, it means the mine, but there is also what we call an EPC or a EPCM. EPC stands for Engineering, Procurement and Consulting. EPCM stands for Engineering, Procurement and Consulting Management. So you need to know who is the EPC of that specific greenfield project. That's where the opportunity is, opportunity is. So you need to understand who's the EPC of that company, and you need to go as an entrepreneur with your, of course, organization, go and present, introduce your company to the EPC in a very early stage so that you can start understanding the opportunity there, and there is a greater chance for you to grab that opportunity. But another thing that is also important for you, as I always say, you need to choose your partner. You need to understand, for instance, in the mining industry, there are so many OEMs. OEMs stand for Original Equipment Manufacturer. So there are so many manufacturing companies, from CAT, from Bosch, from Sandvik, from Komatsu, from Epiroc. These are all OEMs. But you need to understand who could be your best partners. Who is a manufacturer of a product that will be your best partner, that you can actually go into a partnership with, so that you can become a distributor of that specific product into that mine. So form a good partnership with that OEM and understand how you're going to put together the strategy in penetrating that specific mining company. But don't forget about the EPC, as I've mentioned early on, because that's your point of entry for a greenfield project. But for a brownfield project, it means that the mine exists already, and the mine has department, but they also have what we call a procurement department. You need to make sure and understand what are the requirements for you to be registered as a vendor into that procurement or mining company or mining house. So get yourself registered as a vendor and start understanding with your OEM's product that you can supply into that specific mines, and also understand originator in the mines. Originators are basically people that have control or manage specific department, and that basically where most of the request comes, and the request goes to the procurement department, and that's how you can start understanding how you're going to supply those products or specific product that you will be working on with your OEMs to that mines. That's it. Today I wanted to give you some overview in regards to greenfield, brownfield, and what is an OEM and what is an EPC company. It's very important, especially for you, an entrepreneur, to understand those things. And I hope this video did help. And of course, don't forget to subscribe into our YouTube channel, but also follow us on some of the social media. You'll find Smart Africa 4.0. I wish you a great day, and thank you for watching Smart Africa 4.0. Cheers, bye.